Are you selling on Amazon but feel like you're missing out on extra sales? Today I'm going to show you how you can basically double your reach and own your brand and manage everything from one dashboard. Let me show you how to connect your Amazon store to Shopify and take your business to the next level. Okay, so if you are selling stuff on Amazon, then yes, you're basically missing out on a potential whole other market. Because if you're on Amazon and Shopify, then you don't necessarily double your market, but you're definitely opening the door to more customers. So if you do want to boost your online sales and simplify your e-commerce workflow, then let's dive into this because it's a super simple 2-minute setup. But why would you even do this? Well, Shopify is one of the easiest and most powerful platforms for running an online store. It lets you manage your products, payments, and marketing all in one place. And if you're already selling on Amazon, connecting it to Shopify just gives you another sales channel. This basically means more customers and potentially higher sales, global reach and new opportunities, and of course, full control over your brand and data. Now, getting started on Shopify is simple. You simply just go to the Shopify website, pick one of their affordable plans, and of course, you do actually get a trial period for these plans. I think it's something like 14 days here, so you can click try for free, not pay anything, and have everything set up very easily. You're going to get tons of features to help your business grow, which potentially you might not get on Amazon. So once you're in, you can basically design your own store. If we go to the home section, this is where we can design our store. We can do things like have payments, review shipping rates, etc. And if we go to the online store section, we can even set up our store very quickly using different themes. So you could basically just pick one of these, tailor it to your brand, and then you've got a fully functioning landing page for your products. Now for the main event, connecting your Amazon store to your Shopify. Now to do this, you're going to be using Toollist's Amazon Easy Sync app. Super easy to set up, and we're going to do it right now. You'll find a link in the description, or you can search Amazon Easy Sync directly in the Shopify App Store. Or we can go to the apps on the left-hand side here, and we can type in Amazon Easy Sync, and nothing comes up. And then we're going to click search Amazon Easy Sync in the Shopify App Store. And if we scroll down here, we can see the Tool E Amazon Easy Sync. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to click install. Next, you'll be sent to this screen here. So we're just going to click install again. And then we can see we do have this installed. So if you don't actually see this page, guys, then just go to the left-hand side and you will be able to see it right here. And we can see everything, all of the features of this app are right here. So let's click getting started. And then it's going to say you don't have an Amazon account connected yet. So we're going to press get started again. And then we're just going to fill out this section with all of our Amazon store details. So yes, this is going to be the name. We're going to have the region here. So Europe, marketplaces, depending on the country that your store is set up, import orders by fulfillment method. So whichever one is appropriate for you, you can do that if it's the merchant or whether it's by Amazon, depending on your drop shipping style here. And then we can link Shopify products by SKU or anything here that is appropriate. But most of the time it will be SKU. Now, once this is filled out, we're going to press the save and authorize button, and then it's going to authorize that for us. Next, we're going to need to sign in to the Amazon Seller Central page, and then it's going to ask us to authorize EasyTool. All we're going to do here is click confirm, and then we will be verifying that information on Amazon. Now, after passing the verification, you're going to want to press the check button, and then it's going to say connected if you've done everything right, and then your Amazon store will be connected to Shopify. Now, from that point, you can basically manage everything directly from the Shopify Tool E Amazon Easy Sync app. And that is basically it. You can basically manage everything from that one dashboard with everything at your fingertips. And for me, this is super helpful when it comes to my stores. And guys, when you are using these apps, then definitely consider using Fulfillman as well, because I use this for basically all of my dropshipping needs, whether you're a small business, someone that is an independent agent, or someone that is just a dropshipper or entrepreneur. These guys basically handle everything when it comes to my businesses. So we've got got the drop shipping, we've got the supplies for China sourcing, we've got Amazon FBA services, and they even cover photography for our products as well. So I would highly recommend getting a quote with them today. Super easy to do. Link will be in the description. So hopefully you have found this useful. Of course, connecting your Amazon to Shopify is definitely something you might want to consider if you do want a broader market access when it comes to your products. But all the links to this will be in the description. Feel free to watch it again if you did miss any points. But that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.